sometimes the investigation and conformity to one. Obia ma leader and from the court proceedings, you know. And my suspicion is that the judge na ma obi got killed. So because you see, the amount dealing with our blue and say, the young chance can't get here no more. The meet now, the real deal was said. About concluded deal, you know. As I think there are 2 Turkish guys plus a Ghanaian lawyer. No, almost $42 million. In fact, there was an agreement now on the Jeffrey's deal. A judge said, no, and the mobility at the end investigation there more. And mind you, at the time of that deal, we signed the suspicion, and they said, a government official because the media said. Remember that the time was asked away, but near that you will do so more.
Yeah, me kaipa.
Now, a buy no who's a chap, and I want to say no. Minister wants to say no. President wants to say no. Parliament, I want to show him. That's when your campaign, the deal was in 2 parts. Total 190 million. Access one of them build the plant, you know. Goldman Sachs was going to provide them with the financing. If you want to buy an Ankasa, we can get. Now, when you know about the Waffle, I'm going to buy one. What could happen? A problem, the best of and don't you know, we are getting. I don't know, I'm going to 42 million to me. Damn sure. My suspicion is that, sir, she can tell on the MJ before we buy the beer. Will be leaky and my investigation here.
Very well, Solomon Usu, that was it. And you know, one more indirectly, no, one more pointing fingers at the Energy Minister then, Dr. Kwabena Donko, and the chairman of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Energy. Fred Sekra. One more pointing those fingers at them, no. They are wrong in doing that.
At least court documents are kind here. Nothing convinces me, say, Ebiko, but we are here. And you know, but to be quiet, Park or Saha, Tazi HD, and I just say, and command or say you need to go to go. I just say, there, Kevin Class for part of the timber.
But so, $1 million was also mentioned, though.
Okase 250 what I say je masako chiche scam and kofwa okani nyina ho 1 million a bit and pieces.
Okay,
if or no asante be kulu generate or generate through the consulting Ghana consulting company too now not the common tech for no but the invoice be what they call you must justify and your one also.
Okay,
so on to me for no nkaka say or metia 1 million. I also just said yeah, as soon as 2,000, more benching. Anything he was just making up to establish why they must pay those amounts, at least from the court process. But drilling that it's very easy to say because of the government look at the point of say presidential relative. What is the definition of a presidential relative? Very one will be a suspect. How did they establish that? I don't know, pay the cash be another cat be. I don't watch your go for about I said the man. And what give you say all this carabebro. But all this I'm saying, I based on the document court and you know me. So if there are extra year, you have to have idea. Why I love America for the boy. And I told you, I'll try come America by no effort. And yes, so or so I'm more fed up particulars. Near BBC.
So, yeah, but I was saying, but there's this conversation, and I'm abundant. I believe, sir, which the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee, Yuniaba Abra Osei Asari, na Sabri, Ubisa say. $1.4 billion. Ewe na nipa wo bisa omo anase nyumeku obisa omo no obisa aye gold board and a Bank of Ghana. And come on, what do you actually and what do you know about it?
I believe about more ridiculous. First of all, I am a member of Parliament,
sure.
And as a member of Parliament, obviously, you have every right to put in an urgent question. Now I hold the boss of Gold Board to explain. Oh, my better, bedroom to say, me. Now, two questions, or two questions, that's the one I may answer. Abra, what 2 means over Freddy Parava. I am propaganda. My main can be this, Prof.
Yes.
As a man, or saying, my argument be a consumer maybe so. In business world, you say you think global, you act local. And then the idea, the IMF for now, almost says some minority for which you know, I won't pay on my Ghana either.
Oh, really?
That Gold Board. Oh, yes.
IMF and pay on my Ghana either.
Not just on my Ghana. A big problem by all developing economies, you know. The data they all become developed, you know. IMF is dead. Because I did say IMF. IMF also see right. Your friend say support to countries that want to imbalance of trade. What you say?
Yeah.
And you want to develop and also to balance of trade. That will be the essence of the IMF. And it is a tool. Advanced economy, the US, the Britain, France, and so they use in making sure say Africa and Ghana. That's what try him. And now one more say for the last almost 2 years, on basis, you know, the report has always been on the Gold Board. You know why?
Why?
The Gold Board has come to tell you, say, through their activities, Robert trade generating more than 10 billion. And it's the reason why the economy, city, we are stabilized up to date. Now, you know, say, the higher money power and the stability of our currency. And why would it dare attack it? Tell me when they go to Ghana, you know, I won't spend this Bianzana. Ghana Koso. So I say. And then after the oil, you have some politicians. And it's a be a call of what Ghanaians or more likely would down we are matured in politics or matured in their area of politicians. Near where you but I'm film negotiating. Oh, to me, so good. Without the authority, no change him. What will you now do? We have a parliamentarian. I believe, sir, and they came back to explain. So the reason why they are the cost of sale, I give you a business, will be a very cost of sale. I can't the point and you know, and they say, and I agree with Gold Board, sir. What said you might be access? Oh, remember, say gold and say is that. And you know, not on your day. And you say, okay, exchange rate, and I said dollar rate, I got on. Oh, what to swammer, the other Tony go now. No, or that's more good gold. So you must entice them. And it is the more you entice them, over in terms more cost of sale. But the question you ask yourself, you say, the cost, did it benefit the country? Bank of Ghana said you might be anymore spend this canon. Did you make a part they are supposed to do this? They are to maintain the stability of the Ghanaian currency.
Yeah.
Currency are stabilizing.
Stabilizing.
So what is Abela talking about? Some no more Minister of Finance at the point near to see the lift to the dollar 17 cedi. Now also look, on my no you per se a developing. They must be part of the development rather than doing these old policies and for the bank of we have legitimate claims. Hold the person to parliament and let the person swear under oath. Because who didn't see a parliament, I won't mean any intro. That was that to me last time of the catch and it means that you yourself you are not sure.
All right.
So what you're asking.
Because he makes the assertion that $1.4 billion now the Ghana Scamwa is about 22 billion Ghana cedis. Now try to
now go to
SOMPA.
Granted, what they granted class say, almost 1.4 billion, I'm looking at 10.5 billion, at almost 12 billion.
But say, Sakano, and Pampa, say Gold Board, boss, Akada. Now, Unim says, Escano, and Yeska Kumao, solo.
The point is that Pakacho said, now I go to not get the Bechana. Well, this cannot be too good.
Escano, the better.
What is that? What are they talking about? In any case, what has been the benefit of that car to the general economy? Then you have every reason. Now, the other economy now must see the stabilize. What do you go fighting? They're fighting. We are here now. Look, almost started with idea of the first sterilization.
Yeah.
Who's on that? Because almost a bit can phobia. Sterilization is not any concept in economics. Of what is so black, no more cabin. Who was on there? Sterilization here, they also Bank of Ghana is a share, a dollar the share economy, and it's in a mass dollar, no, a city disturbance, and I go free moon and answer day. Now, Bank of Ghana, what one city no SNO, so $1, I don't know, and yet I can't see the Jabore. Now, what Jabore and I say, hope you can say, or maybe a military, our calendar continue, not any part of rain. So, I was started that, you catch what I'm saying, and yet the papa, among some the usual politics. I will free on my position. I am a father so much. I don't do a go box. But let me assure every Ghanaian say, somewhat now man go for the 2x4 politics, and yet, Sanyo Mana, and no, why a Dema, idea, a Dema economy of I say. And as a 1 million Ghanaians, you must rise up. Forget about the first year. Who business are being to communicate here and the amount party co-opposition. And it's the whole time, idea, papa. Young person, I'm not those Ghanaians. Tell me, you remember the many sort of here. The Ghana no come on and and they a partisan parochial interest, and I made him.
Solomon Owusu, Yabara, I believe, sir, Utie, Apenyo Markins. The remarks are all making here says Sami Jemfi any idea one more a time no but idea they want to ask all the necessary and valid questions say they be waiting me aboa no
what is valid about it who power Afenyo Abinasari they have the power to hold Sami Jemfi to parliament. Is that not the case?
But they also say that the complaint they also make is that anytime you make an attempt to hold Sami Jemfi to parliament, the majority blockade Sami Jemfi's appearance.
SOMPA no Mukubusa, who we are. First of all, Sami Jemfi he cannot say anything outside the financial statement.
Sure.
And let me say, and your gold board for 1.4 billion, or more spending.
Bank of Ghana.
It's Bank of Ghana. Why do you call gold board go and answer questions that relates to the Bank of Ghana?
Because gold board benefited from Bank of Ghana. It's for that reason why.
So gold board, they made a profit.
Sure.
So go and ask this, go to Bank of Ghana and ask them. And in any case, as you speak, they who say, I'm move from the original way of doing business. I mean, the gold board, even the Bank of Ghana. To the sense that now they have shifted to the Minister of Finance. I'm saying, Minister of Finance will have a dedicated budget. Now, beyond that, they are going to do what you call, your friend is saying, other than free material. Sir, and go for this kind of bank, sana, gold, normal term. And it's very simple in the gold business. So, there be off-takers, or more better gold, almost to the musical brow ahead of time. And sana was of flag, go to that extent, they will be making more money than you really think, because before you have gold, so I say, and it's some of us have been fighting, say, as a man called Ghana, with this gold board, why we need next, what is critical, which is crucial, and they say a better establish a gold bank, and the two gold, diamond, gold bank, the gold bank, and before this, she was our banking, and I tell you, say, with that bank, we can easily raise more than $1 trillion in this country within the shortest possible time. $1 now was dollar in the city, never go from Gra. And it's a proposal that you will be a fisher of mining camp corner or second. We will write to the Bank of Ghana and the gold board to consider establishing a gold bank in this country that will be managing all metals in this country. And it took 4 diamonds, over our bauxite, over a year. That's a go for person. You just direct them to the gold bank. They send the money ahead of time, and then before you send it to them, the piano who enough forex in the system. This is what a progressive minded person and as a political party does. Here is a system. Now the essence of the video, young
and today, Susuyana and as I drink, anasa adwene pona eye abna o say asare eni afanyo markings ne woni e ka ho e da ne di no enye nsusuye mapa
adwene adia your time wo ma sami jamfi I've said it on your time your time
ma sami jamfi
sami jamfi na good ball they won't ask this they won't do it look yenyina no ye wodi o ma ke betu yakasa tia sami jamfi but when after election no there is cooperation after competition the real Ghana election no the akaya memu because I know show to your fair panel. So discriminatory United Party ni NDC ni MPP ni anamwa.
Correct.
Obia hochero. And you talk baby ya. Ya can't say how I the boo man. That is paramount. And to us you have to bring it out. Don't just come and throw anything there and say 1.4. I not over some men fan of who's line and say God. I won't do that.
Concluding with you, then it means that we'll have to disregard whatever the IMF says.
IMF, on my beard, no much you have done with Yasida. And I refiana. Time President Kufuor to show. President Kufuor is doing what the day of free swan IMF can't ever issue statement say the economy is in deep shit. Wemo. And you know, 1 or 2 young. That pen that I am a buyer of CSC can even go agriculture. Yet the revenue mobilization. Only I can report to be a young got to electricity, yen to zoom, yet the pian to be I am a phone. The pian to be I don't see any I am the development drama. Yan in the all we need as a country, they say, you're penny followed by your discipline. And no be your IMF because. Openi Akufo do face sika no dia kotu amena 97 million na no mete say so for penny otabo ka Ghana for ye ni mo aka kire say ya dwene ni so adaya o man penny Akufo do ye project kama te say cathedral ni akiki against adabraka and they say when now say magini so dia na me pese magini so for who say 100 million akwose for ma hwia ma no say a good project. One do I catch your when and there was a picture miracle. Iroko for non be a bono, say, allegation say 55 million be for baby. And because you see a Fahami over here say about 170 million be for baby. And over here a friend say National Service Way as spending the golf for over here 2.4 billion for baby. And now no while time. Yes, I papa and then your phobia budget $30 million. Obia and site. And now you are $12 million. The Coffon Coso, your friend is a Bollywood, maybe no much in Chicano. And now no, Yaquaki $750 million. Said the Bayaquine, Nasicano, Yahoo. These are the issues when we solve it, we can develop our country. It's as well said to Kenya. But yeah, it's a dedicated.
Scanning a dedicated.
Look, COVID buy. You catch there, say, you 1 million of 554 million Magana for. And also at the same time, no, you're not finished at the northern region. MPP, you know, catch say, it's 100,000 other year. COVID about MPP. I know a first vice or a second vice. And it's here, Kumano. The camera say, can you hold that toy in now? But you're okay. So you didn't crack a camera, not a successful at here. I don't want to see in terms of say, IMF can never develop this country.
Solomon Osu, my nasi.